Do you want to enable or disable fast boot in UEFI or BIOS in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club, similar to fast startup in Windows 11 or Windows 10, but slightly different in functionality. Fast boot is a feature in UEFI or BIOS that reduces your computer boot time with initialization of a minimal set of devices required to launch the active boot option. In this video, we will show you how to enable or disable fast boot in UEFI or BIOS in Windows. Let's get started. Enable or disable fast boot in UEFI or BIOS. The BIOS firmware is being replaced by the UEFI standard interface for PCs designed to improve software interoperability and address limitations of BIOS. When fast boot is enabled, you may not be able to boot from a USB flash drive unless you boot from the USB within Windows. To enable or disable fast boot in UEFI or BIOS in Windows, do this. Depending on the PC or motherboard manufacturer, the steps, available fast boot settings and interface may vary. Also, the steps are the same as in UEFI mode for your PC. But in BIOS, legacy mode, you can only select items by using the arrow keys and the enter key. If powered on, shut down your PC. Boot into UEFI or BIOS firmware settings. On the screen that appears, press the F7 hotkey on the keyboard or use the cursor to click advanced mode on the bottom right of the screen. On the next screen, go to boot tab. Select fast boot. Now enable or disable fast boot per your requirement. Next, press F10 to save and exit setup. Finally, select OK. The computer will now restart and enable or disable fast boot as per your selection. That's it on how to enable or disable fast boot in UEFI or BIOS in Windows. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.